Good afternoon, future public school family. Wanted to make a PSA and a how-to on a few issues with ParentSquare. One PSA and two how-to items. First, public service announcement. We're aware of the issue with the emergency contacts, and we're working with ParentSquare to disconnect those and remove those only on ParentSquare. They will still exist as registration went through on a different platform. We're just going to disconnect from ParentSquare so folks aren't receiving all the unnecessary communication. As far as the how-to items, we've heard some issues regarding names and preferences on how we're contacted in how many ways. So the first thing I'm going to do here is we're looking at my screen. In the top right-hand corner, we see Parent. So a lot of folks are showing up with a prefix and then their name. This is a dummy account, just a practice account. So it says parent. You're going to click on your name and my account. It's going to bring up a screen that looks like this. We don't want this. So we actually want to edit our name. And I'll be typing in my name. You can edit other items as you would like. If you want to choose to use a different email, you want to enter a cell phone number, any photos, anything else that you want to put in here. For now, I'm going to keep it really basic and click Save. So my name, you see now appears, Jason Heberer. This is the email that I'll be using. And then what will actually be changing next is our preferences. So notification settings on the right side, halfway down, says choose how and when you want to be notified for each of your schools. Customize your settings. Perhaps you have multiple schools or multiple students. So let's take a look at this. So emergency alerts, yes, that cannot be disabled. That needs to be on. School alerts, these are about school closures. Something happened at the school. There's a student notice. I'm going to leave those on if something happens. General announcements and messages. This is where most of y'all will want to make a change. So we have email, text, and the app. You can choose which ones you want to turn on and off. You'll want to keep one of them on. But if you click on the pencil, that means to edit, and then you can toggle on and off for each one of the items. I want to leave it on for email because I'm not doing text or app. If you don't have the app, you can download it and have that as your only method. You can do only text. You can do one, two, or all three methods. It's up to you to change and toggle between those. Notification frequency, you can also edit this. Instant or digest. Digest means that they'll come essentially at a later time, so they'll save the posts and then send them out to you. I'm going to leave them as instant, so whenever Miss Amanda or anyone else at the school makes a post, they'll instantly update, and I will get those to my email because of the way I've set up my preferences. When I'm done here, in the top right hand corner is an X. I'm going to X out again. And I'm back to my posting page. I have message opportunity. Links, if you haven't seen it in links, this second link, I'm going to click on Zoom links and school schedule. This is really, really helpful information for each of the teachers in each of the grades and what is happening at what time for different weeks. So take a look through here for your engineer and what might apply to you. Also, I saw on the links page that Calming and Counseling Resources by our counselor, Miss Julia, has put a lot of time and effort into creating some opportunities and resources for you all to engage with and your engineers to engage with as we're coping with virtual learning. If you have any other questions, please reach out to the school directly or my work email, not the one you saw on the ParentSquare, my work email, jason@futurepublicschool.org. I'd love to work with you and help you. You can also reach me via ParentSquare account.